In this video, we will learn how to make a drop-down menu. Here you can see home page, about us, all product and contact. So let's say one of the menu name will be information or info. Then underneath that menu, we want to show several different type of page. It could be about us, there could be contact or any other menu you may want to add there. To do that, again we need to go back to the admin area and again we go to page design and then click on add new page. And here we give the page name let's say information. Scroll down and click on update. Now we created one page called information. Now we need to go back to page design and all page. This information page we need to activate or locate to the primary menu. To do that, click on this blue button where it shows show in primary menu. Once we do that, go back to content management and then click on menu setting, then menu link setting, and now we need to click on inactive menu, and then here we can see that information page. Now we need to click on inactive to turn into active. Once I click on it, then this menu become activated. Now here you can see one button called submenu. Once we click on the submenu, then all the pages is in your all page area. Those pages will show up here. So now I can choose any of the page which one will show underneath that menu as a submenu or drop down menu. Let's say I want to show about, I want to show contact. Now if we click on update, if we go back to the front end and refresh, we can see here the information tab appears. If I click on this information tab, then it will show me the drop down menu. So this is how we can create a submenu or drop down menu. Thanks for watching.